Hello, welcome back to another video. And today is the 4th of July, and I'm with my dad, and we're going to do a weird firework thingy. It's called a snake, right?
It doesn't want to stay lit, does it?
Whoa.
What's up with that?
The last one worked better. And why are you talking funny? Are you talking funny because it's on the video? Isaac's supposed to make smoke, Daddy. Why are you doing so many?
Just hoping those keep each other lit. Maybe you're supposed to keep them in the paper when you do them.
I don't think so.
Here. Yeah, let me see that there.
What's that?
It's a torch lighter.
That sounds scary. It doesn't work.
Don't tire it. Here. What is it? I know, I'll put my hand. It'll work.
It works.
Ah, yep, good.
Why'd you do that? You
Because-
burnt your hand.
Because it'll work. It's called like Murphy's Law.
Let's try.
Whoa, that's cool. That's a cool.
There we go.
Daddy, watch out for your foot.
Oh, man.
You have a bike from this event. Come on. Isaac, shush. Don't say my name. Call me Kitty Face.
No, that's pretty amusing.
Daddy,
I'll be
stop
burning those.
talking funny.
I think I'll be burning those in the whole box.
Oh, next time.
Isaac, don't run over
Right.
it.
Don't push them there either. Alright.
Is that it?
There you go.
Oh, okay. Bye!
Just check the 100 years off the